share the story of what happened here in 1847 when the Americans came and took California.
Los Angeles came under possession of the United States and during the war with Mexico, and thereby it led to California becoming a state and part of the United States only 2 years later.
Our nation was still a new nation and forming itself and trying to create a national character. You know, we just try to tell the facts, and we don't have any axe to grind. We just want to share the story of what happened here in 1847 when the Americans came and took California. And that the Californios, or the Mexicans that lived here, didn't roll over, that they fought for their rights and for their land.
It's important so that people are informed of their culture. There's a lot of Los Angelinos that I believe that probably don't even know that this place exists. Well, to be quite honest with you, it's really the preservation.
War battle or Revolutionary War battle is, I don't find that so much in California. I find a lot of Californians do not know their own history. So we are here to perhaps fill in some of the gaps.